Welcome to House My Home. Tired of your tiny kitchen feeling cramped and boring? Here are 45 brilliant kitchen ideas to transform your small space into a stylish, functional masterpiece. Let's jump in. Look at this kitchen island with built-in storage in a smaller space. It will work well for your small house too. You can use cutting boards, dishware, or pots and pans to decorate your kitchen, as well as organize them. Pay attention to proportions. This compact L-shaped kitchen is what you need for a small space. Maximize vertical space with open shelving or to-the-ceiling cabinetry. Improve your kitchen design with bold paint accents. With a geometric pattern tile backsplash and range hood, this kitchen looks so beautiful. Adding banquette seating is brilliant. It will make a smaller kitchen more functional and cozy. Use soft color accents to add dimension and variation without overwhelming. Mix metal accents to upgrade your kitchen design. Accent with gold to improve your small kitchen looking more interesting. Make a small kitchen feel airier with a light neutral color palette of white, cream, beige, or gray. An open concept kitchen with a clever furniture layout can be one of the best choices to improve your small kitchen decoration. Apply under cabinet LED strip lighting to add an ambient glow. It also illuminates the countertop in this space. Look this kitchen. It has IA sleek quartz waterfall edge peninsula with seating for 3, anchored by a pair of pendant lights. What do you think? This small kitchen has a welcoming feel with natural and painted wood and vintage pendant lighting. Look at the leaded windows and a modern kitchen island in this space that are really eye-catching. Add bar to the kitchen will make a semi-open apartment kitchen more functional. Give a small kitchen a dynamic look using two-tone cabinetry, like in this kitchen. With a custom bar equipped with a slide-out, this kitchen has a component that doubles its width for dining. Add a modular table in a small apartment kitchen to optimize a small area. This kitchen maximizes a small kitchen island with a sink or stovetop to improve its function. This small kitchen island looks proportional for a small space that will maintain an easy flow. Look! The round bistro table and chairs function to preserve flow in a smaller space. Choose shelves the same color as walls for an airy look. Hang floating shelves to add storage. Use simple roller shades, blinds, or wooden window shutters to provide shade and privacy. Get storage opportunities in unlikely places as this tiny studio apartment. Install a wall-mounted shelving and a rack to store utensils and house a miniature garden. Choose a narrow island in a compact kitchen. Install simple white and silver finishes and appliances with vintage touches like painted white. Add a small dining area to create a cozy eat-in kitchen and hang a plant shelf above it. This studio apartment kitchen has a multi-purpose island that looks so chic. Replace the kitchen island with a round bistro table and chairs to preserve flow in a smaller space. Build a kitchen area with more glass windows. Improve with black accent wall. Look at his industrial farmhouse kitchen. It has pendant lightings that can lights in the ceiling. Look at this A-frame lake house kitchen. It adds a striking black and white tile backsplash. In this smaller space, the owner swaps an island for a work table. The designer creates a light and bright feel in a small kitchen by minimizing upper cabinetry. Make bold decor in a limited space dramatic with black and white floor tiles in a loopy graphic pattern. Install a small patch of tile to define a small kitchen in a larger space. Adding decorative pendant lamps also will improve a kitchen design. Run built-in cabinetry all the way up to the ceiling to maximize storage. Install more storage items to have a clutter-free kitchen look. This L-shaped kitchen looks so bright with white and natural light from the glass window. No matter how small your kitchen is, the right ideas can make it feel spacious and beautiful. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home tips.